China's plan to turn Shenzhen into a core engine of reform will cover changes to financial markets as well as strengthen cooperation with Hong Kong and Macau. The blueprint charts Shenzhen's development until 2025. Yu Su from the Economist Intelligence Unit joins us now with more on how the plan will help boost growth by the Greater Bay Area. Yu Su, thanks for joining us. Firstly, the significance of this blueprint released at the 40th anniversary of the establishment of the Shenzhen Special Economic Zone. Now, what are the expectations then of Shenzhen?
Okay, so for the announcement of the anniversary, I think there are a couple of things to expect. First of all, I think Chinese government is going to echoing its commitment to further opening up its market to foreign investors. So key sector to watch, including financial sector and high tech sector, because China want to build Shenzhen into a tech hub or tech center with global influence, and also China wants to rely on Shenzhen's adjacency to Hong Kong to promote its RMB internationalization.
All right, you mentioned there, financial and high-tech sectors. So are these the growth and business opportunities in the Greater Bay Area? And you mentioned that the zone also aims to link Hong Kong, Macau, and Guangzhou. They sit on that plane. Do you foresee that could also pose perhaps some challenges there?
Yeah, there are definitely some challenges. First of all, I think whether a more integration between the mainland and Hong Kong and Macau, whether this would damage Hong Kong's business environment would be a key question. And if that's going to have a damaging impact to Hong Kong's business environment, that means Hong Kong might lose its special status, which means that China mainland part might not be able to rely on Hong Kong to get better access to the global market. So I think this is one of the key challenges of the integration.
Well, under the plans announced, Shenzhen would get greater control over land use, tech, and innovation, as well as hiring professionals. How equipped is the city to deal with external factors like the international trade environment and tensions with the United States?
I think the city, although it's a tech hub of China's mainland market, but I think it's far away from being self-sufficient in key areas, including the high-tech components producing. So I think it might take a longer period of time for Shenzhen to help China to achieve self-sufficiency in some key tech components of manufacturing, especially in the electronic sector, for example, the integrated circuit.
Thank you so much for speaking to us and for your analysis. We've been speaking with Yu Su from the Economist Intelligence Unit.